even after talking about tires changing and setups changing, those blue and orange cars are still up front.
We've been talking about flat spots on the bottom of the tires, Landon. What about the sides? Oh,
Yeah.
And there's Haley getting a nudge from Trevor Huddleston.
That was more than a nudge. This sent her right up the racetrack. She will not let up, though. Look at that.
Just stays to the high side, and that, doesn't let Huddleston get... Oh!
She's going to return the favor.
There it is. She sends him around, and Matt Levine is going to collect Trevor Huddleston.
Oh.
I was going to say that doesn't let Trevor get the exit that he wants off the corners, but...
No, he definitely didn't get the exit that he wants because the front ends tore off.
It's going to be the exit from the race, perhaps. Yeah, that left front took a huge hit.
You have to be selective on when you move someone out of the way because they can just turn around and return the favor like Haley did here.
Saw Trevor jump on the brakes. There was Haley.
And look how just narrow the racetrack is right here. Walls on both sides of you. There's nowhere for that 10 to go.
Oh, Matt Levine could not sneak through on the bottom, and that damages both race cars. Here's another look. Going down the backstretch, Trevor moves her up a little bit, and she moves him around.
That'll make you think twice about the next time you want to move someone out of the way, though, on a short track. These drivers have to race each other every week.
And they're both rookies.
Yeah,
so
and you get to know their